REKHA'S RASOI. Here's every taste flavor. My food expeditions, I must say, is taking me places. Don't get me wrong, not literally, at least not during this pandemic time. But yes, I have been exploring some new non-Indian dishes, and one of them is the Russian salad. It's a very easy and quick salad to prepare. It's made of diced vegetables and mayonnaise dressings. You can prepare it along with your regular meals, or you can take it anytime during the day because it's quite refreshing and filling. So come join me in my kitchen while I make my Russian salad. Let's get started. First we need to cook all the vegetables, and for that we'll boil some water. First goes the carrots. Boil it for 2 minutes. Now goes the French beans. We'll boil this also for 2 minutes. Now it's the turn of the potatoes. As you can see, I've cut it into cubes. It's been 3 minutes, now we'll take it off. Last but not the least, in goes the peas. We'll boil it for 2 minutes. I'll leave the list of ingredients in the description box. It'll make things easier for you. The peas are cooked and ready. Now we'll take this off. Let's make our salad. In goes the potatoes. Then goes the carrots. Then goes the beans. Then goes the peas. To make the salad more interesting, I am adding a few cubes of pineapple. Now to this we'll add some salt. I'm adding a half teaspoon. You can add according, as I always say, according to your preference. We'll add some half teaspoon pepper powder. And 1 cup mayonnaise. And now for a gentle mix of all these vegetables and pineapples. Now we have mixed all the ingredients together, and now we'll transfer it to a serving bowl. Our salad is ready to be served, and now for the embellishments. Since I don't have any broccoli with me today, I decided to give this salad a desi tadka. How? By adding these 2 curry leaves. There, our Russian salad is ready. You saw how easy peasy it is to make this salad. Please do try this at home, and do let me know in the comment section how you found this recipe or this dish. And please subscribe to my channel REKHA'S RASOI if you haven't yet, and hit the bell notification so that you'll be the first to receive my videos whenever I upload them. And this is Rekha signing off from your channel REKHA'S RASOI.